Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A few cool updates related to the Affiliate Manager dashboard, which you can find under Traffic, Affiliate Manager dashboard. So in case you didn't know, there's a full affiliate functionality on Funneltopia where you can set up campaigns that automatically give people credits on purchases, form fills, calendar bookings, and you give them commissions accordingly, right? You give them credit. So that's a whole functionality in itself. But as for the dashboard, there's new additions to kind of let you have more control over the numbers and what has happened. Just basically, if we go top to bottom, obviously you can sort by campaign, you can sort by date ranges. There's the main numbers that pop up. Obviously, you can also do top affiliate, kind of like a leaderboard, and you can arrange them based on like specific criteria. So that's a good one. Also, pending payouts, which is a new statistic in addition to the recent feature updates where you can automate the affiliate commissions, which makes your life easier. So that's another cool feature and kind of outlines it here. So there's a lot of good additions to kind of make it more just a better overview what the situation is. Definitely go check it out, and definitely go check out the just the affiliate manager feature in general, and maybe create a campaign for one of your funnels or whatever, form, survey, whatever, right? There's a lot of things you can create one for. And yeah, if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click down here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And obviously for the VIP clients, click here, let's book a call. If there's like a bigger issue, not just a couple of quick questions. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.